In this video, we'll be talking about creating email templates in Timecounts and where you can use email templates. So let's get started. I'm in the email template section in settings. So on the left-hand side, if you see settings and you click on data, it's the first option across the top. So when you go right in, we are starting with a new organization here, so we don't have any templates available. Anything that does not have a template or requires it in Timecounts will default to a message. So you don't have to worry if you don't have any templates, but it is a really nice way to be able to customize and personalize your organization. So let me show you a few tricks on how to set up your email templates for success. So if I go to the top right corner, I'm going to click on Add New. And the email template, the first thing you want to do is give it a name. So let's create a welcome message. On all plans, you have the ability to create a custom welcome message in addition to a custom invite. If you are creating templates on the advanced plan or higher, you can also attach a template to confirmation emails and reminder emails as well. But let's go ahead and create a custom welcome message. So the subject, you may want to say, welcome. In this case, we're working with Westside Animal Shelter to Westside Volunteer Program. Again, you can update this at any time. It's just going to update for any new people that start to receive it. So let's create the body of the email. And there's a couple of things. Basically, we're creating a template email, which I'm sure a lot of us have done. But there are a few tricks you can do. So if you want to say like hello or hi, space, and then if you look at the bottom right, there's a little plus sign here. So if I click the plus sign, it enables you to insert database fields. So if you have other database fields, you can basically insert them. We make different things available, but in this case, you're going to want to insert the first name. Okay. And then you will be able to start typing and say, we are very excited to have you join us. There will be a training session soon. Whatever is going to be personalized for your organization is what you want to be putting in here. I think what is key in a welcome message in particular is you want to be describing or guiding people into what they should be doing next. So if I add a button in here, you can add a link, you could highlight if I highlight any of the text. I could obviously across the bottom, I can insert a link here, but I think what's a little bit nicer is you can actually insert a button. So you could say sign up for shifts or whatever you want to do. And once you grab the URL that you want, that could be a link to the public-facing shift sign-up page, whatever that's going to be. Maybe you want to guide people to donate. Whatever it happens to be, you can insert the link in there. So I'm just going to put link.com for the sake of the demo, and then I'm going to press save. You'll notice it's going to take whatever your theme color is from the hub, and it's going to insert a button into your message. So let's go ahead and sign it. As with all emails, the email comes from your organization, not from you personally, but you may want to, perhaps as the volunteer coordinator, make sure that email is coming personally from you, or perhaps the CEO of the nonprofit or organization, whatever that happens to be. And then you could just say the volunteer leadership team. And you could add additional confirmation information about how they could reach you or anything else. But this is a welcome message that gets automatically triggered. So let's press create. So already we've got the welcome message that's set to go here. You can obviously add as many as you want. There's no limit. If I go to the messages view, and we're just getting started, so we don't have any messages, but if I go to the messages view and I click at the top right, new message, you'll now see with the first screen that you open, it's already got the welcome message here. So it's pre-established, okay? And then you can create, your recipients or whoever that happens to be. And then it pre-fills this information. So if you need to make an edit from here, maybe you want to change it, whatever that happens to be. You can certainly edit it. It just copies in that information, making it a little faster and easier to update whatever that happens to be. So in this case, I'm not going to send this email, but you can also update any information with any of your templates if you have an email. So if I go to settings and preferences, whenever you see, if you see the invite message, whenever you see a section like this, it's got the welcome message, you can attach an invite message, for example, and attach that. So there's a lot of options to utilize templates, whether it's making it faster to reply to people, or you want to just make it more customized with your auto communication, but that's how it works with the email templates.